Hello there. We've all seen our share of GIFs and memes, and I've got a good laugh or chuckle. I bet your students would too if you were to place a few into your lessons or presentations. And who knows, maybe they'll learn a thing or two and even be engaged. Let me show you how easy it is to make a meme and GIF that is relevant to your topic and you can use them in your class. Let's go to the website www.imgflip.com to make your meme or GIF. To begin, mouse over the Create button at the top of the page and select Make a Meme. My first idea is using the Drake Hotline Bling template to make a math meme. You can see it's a popular template since it appears in the Popular tab. However, you can always search for a meme by typing in keywords into the search box. Once it appears, select it, and now you can input your text into the editable fields. The inspiration of this meme is students always forget what the solution is when you divide a number by 0. And it's not 0. So I'll type the question 5 divided by 0 in the top box, since Drake is obviously not having any of that. And in the image and text box number 2, where Drake approves, I'm going to enter 5 divided by 0, and that equals undefined. Drake approves, once again. Now that you entered your text, the program has several additional features that allow you to draw, add images, rotate, or even add additional text boxes to the meme. Once you're happy with everything, press the Generate Meme button and save it to your socials, email it to yourself, or just save it to your device so you can add it to your presentation. Next up, let's make a GIF. The site has a huge library of GIFs. I want to use the famous Homer walking back into the hedges GIF. I'll use this to make a history GIF. First, I'll add an additional text box that will be above Homer and have the text Napoleon after invading, and in the text box below I will have Russia in the winter. If you remember, Napoleon having his army attack Russia during the harsh winters was not the greatest of ideas, and many lives were lost. Once we're done with that, you can preview the GIF by selecting this button, and finally by pressing the Generate GIF button, you can save it to your computer. I hope you enjoyed this video and find this tool a fun way to engage your students. Thank you for watching.